So here's how you do that meme, or at least one method. Do that meme where you rename an image to mp3 and it plays an audio file in an audio player. So what you want to do is you want a program called HXD, or any hex editor should work, but I love HXD because it's got to be my fucking favorite one. And take your image. This is an image of notorious Sonic YouTuber Peter Netter. And you'll see in here it's a bunch of data you don't know what to do with. Bunch of weird stuff. That's not important though. You take your audio file, you drag it in here, hit Control A, copy it, and then go to the very end of your image file and hit Control V. It'll be all red because it's with HXD. Any bytes that have been added to the original file will be marked red. This helps you if you want to keep something the same size, although with what we're doing here, it's not going to be possible. Yeah, there's like a cutoff point, but whatever, that doesn't really matter. Just hit Control S, and then you'll see, well, it makes a little backup usually, but we can just delete that safely. You can see the file size is pretty big, but as long as it's, oh, somebody just left my Discord call. As long as it's like under 8 megabytes, you're usually good, because, well, you're probably going to be sending this over a Discord anyway. So you want to rename it to an mp3 just to test. You get a pretty sick result.